All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Bonk token itself, see what is happening with the price, and of course, what is yet to come. You know, over the past 24 hours, we've seen, such an excitement for the entire market. We're seeing an altcoin rally occurring as we speak. And of course, if you do follow me on my channel from the beginning, I've been indicating over the last 2 to 3 weeks that, we're seeing a lot of momentum for altcoins. And as a matter of fact, we saw Bitcoin pushing out of that consolidation phase, hitting a new yearly high. And not only did it hit a new yearly high, Bitcoin is back in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So, the market is absolutely heating up right now, leading up to the Bitcoin halving. But, if you're looking at the top 100 coins, you guys are looking at two big meme coins that launched last year. And that was, of course, Bonk and Pepe. And both of them have reclaimed back into the top 100. Pepe absolutely killing it recently. But we're going to cover Bonk, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. And I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. But nonetheless, things are looking absolutely insane. So if you're looking at Bonk on the daily time frame, it's up 7.9% with the price currently sitting at 1475. We still have about 4 zeros in front of the price, and if we're looking at it on the BTC time frame, we're also up 4.3%. Now if we're looking at its market cap, it's just shy of $1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 320.2 million. Not bad at all. So let's take it a step further, see what is happening. But before I do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So we're going to start off with some of the news and what's going on as far as the Bonk project goes. So you guys can see they've been tweeting quite a bit, and what they've been doing is this. And they're saying, stop right there, must Bonk to pass. So what they're saying is asking the community to tweet the word bonk. And what does this really mean? Of course, a lot of speculation going around. Is there going to be a unique way to give away bonk tokens to the people that are actually engaging? Who knows, right? As of now, it's all pure speculation, but you're starting to see recently they've been saying this more than once. You can see this for yourself: bonk, bonk, bonk. And this is gaining a lot of attention. And on top of that, now as the market is heating up, remember, let's not forget, as the market heats up, we do tend to see projects that have significant amounts of hypes, start getting traction. And we've seen the likes of Bonk as well as, Pepe making a move. But, with Pepe, it's a little different. I kind of explained it in my last update. I think there is manipulation also occurring on the Pepe side. But with Bonk, again, both of them are meme coins at the end of the day. But Bonk team is bringing in a lot of utility, engaging with the community in a different way that we have not seen ever. And I think this is going to benefit a lot as, of course, the Solana ecosystem grows. And of course, let's not forget, this is one of the only meme coins, from what I remember. Last time, of course, there was Shiba Inu. After Shiba Inu, this is the only meme coin that got listed on not only Binance, but Coinbase itself. And as we know, Coinbase is a fiat gateway. Majority of the new money flows in through Coinbase, and that is a huge plus point. So that gets me excited even more. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening. You can see this for yourself. A lot of good news happening, and obviously if you do follow Bonk, you know that. But let's take a further step and look at Bitcoin. So if you're looking at BTC, remember that consolidation phase that we were running into, that same exact resistance I spoke about, and we pretty much consolidated there for about 2 weeks, and we finally saw this breakout. And in terms of ETF volume, guys, that has been skyrocketing. What is that showing us? That is showing us the clientele interest is coming from the traditional side. A lot of people have demand for this, and we're seeing a lot of excitement for Bitcoin, and we haven't even gotten close to the halving, and you're seeing BTC retesting some targets we haven't seen since December of 2021. And the next main target kind of right now is around $59,435. And at this point, guys, we can't even write anything off. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin even gets back above there, before Bitcoin halving. And, in my personal opinion, what I'm expecting is, when Bitcoin halving does occur, we will see a pullback, because of course, sell the news event will take place. But shortly after that, I think Q3 and to Q4, that's where, excitement will begin leading into 2025. But, the top, you can't time it. That this is where you need to make your own strategy and strategize your exits that way. But, if we're looking at Bonk, guys, Bonk has finally done it once again. And what I mean by that is, you guys can see this for yourself. We broke out of that key resistance, and this time around we broke out of the February high. But as of now, we still have not set a new yearly high. As of now, that has not happened. But of course, this move right here, especially getting back above this key resistance at 1302, is really, really important. No, but that's not what I want you guys to see. What I want you guys to see is, if you were picking up some Bonk at the 1139 zone just on February 23rd, which is literally 4 days back, you did see Bonk go up 40%. That is a significant move. And remember, a lot of people tend to forget this. Massive amounts of exchanges have listed, and we're talking about the biggest exchanges. And you can see this for yourself. $47 million, in terms of its volume, is coming from Coinbase itself. Of course, Binance has majority of the volume coming through, but Coinbase is literally right behind it. And as more and more FOMO starts kicking in, I think this number is also going to start increasing, and we will see that happen. But this is definitely really, really nice to see, especially now that we are seeing a lot of momentum for altcoins. It's just definitely deserved for the people that actually were holding since the bloodbath accumulating. Those are the real winners in my opinion right now. But yeah, we're looking really, really good, and I think Bonk has more upside for itself, especially in the next half hour. If it's able to close its daily candle here, I think we could even start pushing up towards our new yearly high. And in order for us to hit a new yearly high, that's a move of about 21%, which is not a big move at all. Things like this can move up really, really fast, especially when things start heating up. So that's my overall take for Bonk. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are you guys doing right now? Where do you see Bonk trading at the end of the year, leading into the year of 2025? And what do you think Bonk will do, next to Pepe? I personally think, I still need a little bit more confirmation to see whether or not this really is an, official move of Pepe. Is Pepe actually making a comeback? I personally think, people saw opportunity. Bunch of whales came in together and, decided to pump up the price of Pepe because it was not moving at all. As far as the team goes, I'm still kind of skeptical on them. They kind of ghost mode. Of course, now that the market is heating up, pretty much every project at this point is going to come and start pumping out a lot of engagement on their Twitter or whatever you want to call it. But I get all the question every time, and that the question is, how long until we receive a new all-time high or retest an all-time high? That's a move of about 133.5% from the current price levels, which puts us at $2.4 billion market cap. So that's how I'm currently analyzing Bonk. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.